Welcome to Infinity Tech. This is the top 5 air fryers you can get in 2021. Let's get started with number 5. Cosori Electric Hot Oven. Winner of the Red Dot Award for Best Design, the Cosori Air Fryer was designed in California and features an angled display with easy-to-use presets. The air fryer's compact size allows it to easily fit on your counter and get up to 85% less fat than traditionally deep-fried food while maintaining the same delicious taste, making it the perfect gift for family or friends. Number 4 is the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryers give you all the flavor of deep-fried cooking, without the oil and mess. Plus you get crispiness on the outside, tender on the inside, perfection every time. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is packed with 7 built-in smart programs, including bake, roast, toast, broil, dehydrate and rotisserie. It also includes the one-step even crisp technology which allows you to achieve a crispy outside and tender inside. Whether you tumble fry in the rotating basket or roast meat rotisserie style, deliciousness is guaranteed. Number 3 is the NUWAVE BRIO.
Now, enjoy all your favorite fried foods crispy and juicy without the guilt. The secret is the BRIO specially designed cooking chamber, which circulates superheated air all around the food. Now you can air fry, roast, grill, bake, rotisserie, dehydrate, and more. Forgot to defrost the meat? No problem. You can even cook from frozen. The integrated digital temperature probe makes cooking easy. Just insert the probe, set the temperature, and touch and go. The BRIO cooks until the desired temperature is reached, and then stops cooking automatically. Never guess, overcook or undercook again. Make perfect steak, chicken, pork, salmon, grilled cheese, and the best French fries.
Number 2 goes to the Innsky Air Fryer Extra Large. Cook with 360 degrees circulating hot air that flows constantly. The Innsky Air Fryer is 4 times faster than a normal conventional oven, and reduce 85% less fat compared with traditional deep frying methods. Perfect gift for food-loving dads, mothers, family and friends. Provide healthier fried food. That's why it makes a great choice for Thanksgiving Day and Christmas Day or any holiday or special event. And at number 1, it's the Kalorik 26QT Digital Maxx Air Fryer.
It's called the Maxx because it replaces 10 different appliances. It's a powerful next-generation ultimate air fryer, countertop oven, toaster, broiler, rotisserie, dehydrator, roaster, pizza oven, slow cooker, and indoor grill. But don't confuse the Maxx Air Fryer oven with any air fryer oven you've seen before. The secret is the Maxx Air Fryer's Turbo Max technology. A massive 1700 watts of power is combined with a high-performance turbofan, engineered for maximum air circulation, maximum crispness, and maximum flavor. Look at a leading air fryer's airflow. Now look at the Maxx airflow. Wow, it's a difference you can see. In fact, we tested the Maxx against 3 of the leading air fryer ovens. The Maxx came in number 1, cooking the chicken almost 28% faster. The Maxx air fryer has smart culinary intelligence built in. And because the others can't get to 500 degrees, you can cook your steak up to 37% faster. Coming up, we're cooking favorites like ribeye steaks done in 8 minutes, air-fried chicken done in just 10 minutes, Cajun salmon in 7 minutes, rotisserie chicken done in just 35 minutes, and piping hot full-size pizza done extra crispy.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you have made it this far, make sure to leave a like, comment on what air fryers you're interested in, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. This has been Infinity Tech. See you next time.